Hi, Jeremiah's class. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello from Idaho. Look what happened to us this morning. Snow.
Snow.
I bet you don't have any snow in Virginia. Well, I wanted to read you a story. Remember when I came to your class and I read the story about the little blue truck? Is it cloudy in Virginia?
Yeah. We looked on the weather news.
Oh. Well, remember the little blue truck story? Here's another one. I thought you might like to hear another one, so we're going to read it and we'll show you the pictures. This is by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurry.
The little blue truck leads the way.
Yep.
Mom, it's different. You missed a page.
Oh no. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scraped the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, Shorty, yelled the double-decker bus with big red letters. Rides are us.
That means, like there's a bunch of people riding in him.
Yeah.
So he thinks he's the most important one. And he has a brother up here and a brother down here.
A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud. I'm first. You're last. Woo! Went a siren coming through. Busy police car, things to do.
Mommy, he's angry at the little blue truck.
Swish, swash, swoosh went a big street sweeper, hollering, "Hey, better move, little beeper."
Beaver.
Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got His Honor the Mayor inside. I'm important. Move aside.
Yeah, Mommy, but he's not the most important one.
Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle.
Oh, there's the double-decker bus.
Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough, and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside.
Mommy, I want to tell them something.
Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? What?
So, limo is short for limousine.
That's right. Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out.
Mommy, it's an old lady with a curvy face.
His Honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech, the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck. This good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do, so single file, folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line with... Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We'll try that page again. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue.
Okay, so this sign says blue is cool.
They clapped their hands and yelled, "Hooray for the little blue truck who led the way." Beep, beep.
He's going back home.
Did you like it? We hope you guys are having fun staying home.
Yeah.
We are. Bye.
We are. Bye.